Good afternoon, Sergio here with Wasso HVAC and Tools. We got this seized up X13 ECM motor, and I am it's not going to do that. It's stuck in there, so we are going to tear this bad mamma jamma down. If I can, don't mind the mess in my van. It's been a rough one. So that's a quarter inch. That's a quarter inch. So let's take this off. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Okay, there's that. Put that in there. Let's see, how else does this come? Oh, you got these little guys. So, hold on. I do not have security Torx bits, so wait. Yeah, I do. Hold on. I gotta grab them. Be right back. So here, found the right bit. So let's see if we can get these out. Oh, look at that. Okay, and the little guy down here. Holy crap, it's so today. I already got the new one in, it's up and running. I'm just letting the space cool down. I needed to get some fresh air, so I think that is it for screws. So let's see if we can. Might have to actually get like a little pry bar, or a pry bar, or where's my bag? The bag is behind me. Or the ultimate pry bar. Just spread it apart. Ew, look at all that. This came out of a Lennox unit. Holy crap. Yeah, I believe that bearing went bad. Oh, no. Sorry, you can't see that, but the rotor magnet actually like got stuck, look, and it broke because when I first opened it up, it was like, it was just going burp, burp, burp. So it was still getting power, but these, you can't really do anything if they're doing anything other than running. There ain't much you can do. I think you used to be able to buy these, just the back part, like if like one of these capacitors blew or whatever, but I've never had any luck doing it. Even years ago I tried doing that. They're like, it gets you the new motor faster. So, but yeah, that's definitely a good one. I'm gonna pull it apart a little more, or see if I can pull it apart a little more, and see if I can get that rotor out. Hold on. So I think I just have to take these off. And my handy, nope, wrong thing. This is hard to do with one hand. Hold on, I'm gonna grab my tripod. All right, that should work a little better. So, get this out of the way. Grab ammonia real quick. There we go. 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 There we go front. That bearing, oh, that bearing's actually still good. Look at that. Oh, let's see if we can, oh, there we go. Yeah, look at that. The bearings are still good, actually. Look at this. Oh, right there. Yeah, this thing. Let's see if we can get this out. Oh yeah, look at that. A piece of metal. Oh, so this, what, fuck. What I think happened, these are probably like glued on somehow. Like right there you can see glue. And the glue must have come off. This must have come off. These are all still kind of smooth. And you can see this one wore down. And it wore inside the stator right here. Holy crap. And it just, all this rust is just dust. Hold on, I'm going to clean this up a bit and then see if we can see, look at it, get a little better look. Here's a better look. You can see it just ate away, because if we grab the rest of the stator, you can see that it is all there. So that was supposed to go there-ish, like that. Then when electrical current is applied, a magnetic field causes it to move around, spin. But that glue must have come off, and you know, centrifugal force and everything was probably spinning for a while and just wore itself out. So these in here don't, I mean, they look like they're there and they fit very tight, so that's probably, you know, just over time that happens. But yeah, shit happens. I mean, it's probably, I think it's the original motor, so. But yeah, so yeah, that was a interesting one. So it's running right now, it's cooling off. I got another unit I got to look at in this building too. So that's Sergio with Wassel HVAC and Tools. Peace.